Chris here, and CJ here. Hey there, buddy. Hi. Hang out with Daddy. It is Tuesday, May. I'm not sure what today is. Today is Tuesday, May 10th, 2011. Let me turn on the TV. Come on. Come on. Wait. There you go. Today, both CJ's physical therapist and teacher came in to play with them and teach them. Is that right, CJ? You got 2 visitors today? You had 2 visitors today? He's so cute. Yep. He's so cute, CJ. Hey! Just fed CJ lunch. Just fed. Oh, hey! Hey, K-Bear. You're what?
No, I'm a bunny.
You're a bunny?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What are you doing?
Jumping like a bunny.
Jumping like a bunny? What are you doing?
I boxed.
Hey, CJ. Choo! Oh, careful!
Shoot!
Choo!
No, Dad.
Choo!
Daddy.
What?
Do it really, really. Say choo!
Choo!
No, okay,
What?
I said.
Okay.
Choo!
Okay. Choo!
Watch me. Choo!
Okay. So what did you do today, K-Bear?
I don't know.
Did you went to school?
No.
You didn't go to school today. What do you mean you went to school today?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
What did you learn in school? What did you learn in school today?
You're turkey.
Hey, don't spit.
Sorry.
Hey, say it, don't spray it. Hey, I want the news report, not the weather report, dork.
I don't want those.
What are you wearing the hat for? You're in the house.
Because my...
Whoa!
Push me.
No, you push me. Whoa! Want me to push you? Oh, we're gonna CJ.
Okay. I got it.
Oh, careful. Hey, CJ.
Push me. Oh.
Okay, you want to push me?
Wow! Look at us. That can still
Let's see
blind
Jay push.
us when I push him by myself.
Let CJ push me. Oh. Come here, CJ.
Push. I'll push you.
Alright, hold on. Wow!
I'll push by myself. I push by myself.
You pushed it by yourself?
Oh.
Push CJ!
Oh no. Okay, I just got him. Daddy was. Get up.
Get up. Why?
Yeah.
Hi, DJ. Aww. Hey, kiss your brother. Kiss your brother.
Ah!
Do you love your brother?
No.
You don't love your brother?
No. No. No.
Why not?
No.
Why don't you love your brother? Hey, careful. Why don't you love your brother?
Because I don't.
Oh, you love your brother.
Look at you. Smiling. I never down there.
Christian.
That's my Shit, I like that. Hey, Daddy, stop. I'm doing today right now. I'm playing with today.
Okay. Hey.
She looks at us. No. Oh yeah. She can do. She can look. Ah.
What are you doing, Jay Bear? Hi, CJ.
I'm gonna push you.
You want to push me?
I'll push you right over here. Watch me.
Push
Over
me.
here.
Oh, what?
Over here.
Wait, hold on.
Ow.
Oops,
Ow.
sorry.
I know.
Whoa!
I'm gonna push you. Let me
I'm gonna
push.
push you.
Whoa! Whoa! Guys, help! Whoa! I fell in the grass. Could you get me out there? Get me up! Help! Hey, Daddy, stop! I said stop! Stop! It's not spiders. Daddy, I'm gonna squeeze you bell.
Whoa! 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 Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Ah! I'm upside down. I'm vlogging upside down. Hey, everybody, I'm vlogging upside down. Ah! Hey, Gamer. Hey.
Help! Help! I need some help. I fall.
I can't help you.
I can't reach. Wait.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Oh, yikes. No one come out. ya.
Dork.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh, she's dead. What are you doing, Teddy Bear? I don't want Ugly Betty. What are you doing, dork?
I'm ruining this. What is it? Dad, what is this?
I don't know. Not sure.
Can I wear it?
I don't care.
Can I wear it, Dad? I like to wear it. Thanks, Dad. What is this?
I don't know.
What's this, Dad?
I don't know.
What? I got the magic cape.
Magic cape?
I get to fly.
Why?
Yeah, I get to fly like that magic cape. Fly over the magic. I'm the flying. I'm the superhero. I'm a superhero.
You're a superhero?
Mm-hmm.
What's your superhero name?
Oh, I'm a superhero. I can fly.
You can fly? What, are you naked girl?
Huh?
Are you naked girl? Is that your superhero name? No, you're naked.
No. I'm Montana superhero.
Oh, Tana.
Oceana superhero. Oh! I need some. Daddy, stop!
What?
I want you to stop. Stop! I'm the super.
On my feet.
Pew! I'm gonna do. Stop bugging me.
What? Well, that's it for today.
See you tomorrow. Bye. I'll turn off.
Okay.
Yellow for turn off. Ow! Stop. Wait.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Oh, yikes. Don't want to come out. I got ya.
Dork.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh, she's dead. What are you doing, Teddy Bear? I don't want Ugly Betty. What are you doing, dork?
I'm ruining this. What is it? Dad, what is this?
I don't know. Not sure.
Can I wear it?
I don't care.
Can I wear it, Dad? I like to wear it. Thanks, Dad. What is this?
I don't know.
What's this, Dad?
I don't know.
What? I got the magic cape.
Magic cape?
I get to fly.
Fly?
Yeah, I get to fly like that magic thing. Fly over the magic. I'm not flying. I'm the superhero. I'm a superhero.
You're a superhero?
Mm-hmm.
What's your superhero name?
Oh, I'm a superhero. I can fly.
You can fly? What, are you naked girl?
Huh?
Are you naked girl? Is that your superhero name? No, you're naked.
No. I'm Montana superhero.
Oh, Tana.
Oceana superhero. Oh! I need some. Daddy, stop!
What?
I want you to stop. Stop! I'm the super.
On my feet.
Pew! I'm gonna do. Stop bugging me.
What? Well, that's it for today.
See you tomorrow. Bye.